Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on a journey to find inner peace and relaxation. Life can be hectic, but it's important to take a moment for ourselves. Let's begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space. Sit down or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a tranquil place in your mind. It could be a serene beach, a peaceful forest, or even a cozy room filled with warmth and love. Picture yourself there, absorbing the calmness around you. In this tranquil place, release all your worries and stress. Imagine them as balloons, and with each exhale, watch them float away into the sky until they disappear. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders. Now, let's focus on gratitude. Think about 3 things you're thankful for today. It could be as simple as a smile from a stranger, or a warm cup of tea. Gratitude can bring immense joy. Next, let's practice a short mindfulness meditation. Pay attention to your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Remember, it's okay to have thoughts. Just let them pass like clouds in the sky. Imagine a place of tranquility where all your worries melt away like the morning dew. The journey to inner peace begins with self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. In times of uncertainty, focus on what you can control and let go of the rest. Remember, you are stronger than you think, and every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. Surround yourself with positivity and people who uplift your spirit. Your environment plays a significant role in your well-being. Laughter is the best medicine. Find moments of joy and laughter in your life to reduce stress. Take a few minutes each day to breathe deeply, clear your mind, and reset your energy. Practice gratitude daily, count your blessings, and you'll find that even on tough days, there's much to be thankful for. As we approach the end of our journey, know that you can return to this place of tranquility anytime you need. Inner peace is within your reach always. Thank you for joining us on this journey to find peace and relaxation. Remember to take time for yourself regularly. Be kind to yourself, and may your days be filled with serenity.